Hi guys. Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make my new Lego vending machine. I've had this for a pretty long time and I've never ever got to show you guys because I forgot. But here, I'm going to show you. So, just make a fairly good base. You know what, let me show you how all the mechanics works. Then you may or may not know, but still, I'm just going to show you the mechanics. Why is this so hard? You know what? I'm just gonna...
Ash, how come you make more videos than me?
Oh yeah, in the roof, you're gonna have to have this, so then when the money falls down through this hole, you can open it up and just throw all the money you've made and just flick it back in or something. Okay, so let me just get all this stuff out, show you the mechanics, and it'll be cool. Last time I spent when I was making this, I spent about fairly 4 hours or something. Oh, that's not good.
Guys, this guy he has good videos, so watch his video, enjoy the video of his channels.
What do you mean enjoy? Enjoy.
Your channel! Everybody, enjoy the show on your channels.
Everybody? Don't listen to me. Okay, so I just need to rebuild this because it accidentally fell apart a little or something. Why does this have to happen to me? It's not a pretty long time doing this, but I'm done. I think it is connected. Okay, so now that it is connected, let me show you the mechanics. So, to make this, you're gonna need one by one.
Gujarati bolo. I am a Gujarati.
No.
Anshni video make
Okay.
Anshni video make
Okay, so ignore them, please. Please ignore them. But if you can see, these are the mechanics. So we've got this box. We've got this box of tiles. That lets let this box slide from side to side. Oh yeah, you don't need to have to make walls because you just can make walls like that and then just do that. If you want, you can make walls. There's the roof to catch all the money. Here's the cool part. So when you're done, when you're you see that? You're gonna have to make it 2 blocks away. 3 blocks away from it, and then take I think it's a 8x8 piece or something. It's like 8x8. It's a 8x1. 1x8. It's a 1x8 piece, and you just put some tiles on that, and you put that right there. And then, so this is how it works. So, if you're gonna slide the box in like this. Stop. This guy's good. So then we can you put the box in, and then just pretend.
Look at this dude.
My video. So basically, what you're gonna do is you're just gonna see this little hole. Pretend this pretend this Lego piece is a coin. It should be like. Oh, there's a Lego vending machine. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys. This, but you're gonna have to make a little stopper right here. You see that little stopper? So that it doesn't go all the way backwards into the thing, and then coins can't fall in. So basically, I made my hole big enough so that I can fit quarters in. Money won't work because it's not enough. It can't push this box. So pretend that this is a coin. If you wanted to get something out of this, you can just take the coin, put it in, and it'll fall down in here like this. See that? It'll fall down in here like this, and you can like see that thing. So it'll fall down in there, and then this thing, the box, will move out like this. So the box is gonna move out. So then they can be like, okay, takes the box out, and be like, what do I want? I'll just take this banana, and then you can put it back in for no more use. For more use, not for no more use. And then here's where the roof thing comes. This is where the roof thing comes in handy. So if the roof was on, and this was also on the little, and then this was on this little compartment, you can open it. You could just open it like this, like you see it open and close, and then you can just flip it upside down, and then get your monies. And I just took it apart. Let's just do this. It's cool. Okay, so let me just tell you all the specific pieces you need. Not like specific pieces, like parts. The parts of it that you need for it to be fully functional. First, I'll start out with the basics, then I'll go higher and higher and higher and higher until the whole world explodes. I'm just kidding. I don't want the whole world to explode, because then I won't be here. So then, where do I go? Where do I go? Like, if I to the moon or something? This thing got broken on accident. Definitely accident. So what you need is I'll tell you some pieces that you have to have, or else this thing won't work. Those are the only pieces I have to have. You need okay. You're gonna need the roof, walls, a box. You can only have front and back if you want. And now a square tile, a back wall with a little slot so that stuff can go inside. Push the box out. A floor. Yeah, definitely you need a floor. And oh yeah, the stopper. So if you don't know what the stopper looks like, here's how you make the stopper. 1x4 bricks, 1 2x1 plate, another 1x6 plate, 1x6 tile, 1x2 plate. Okay, you know what? Just don't listen to me. Just look at this, and that's how you make it. I need to reinforce this a little. Sorry, I just have to. Okay, reinforcing done. Okay, so you can just plop that back in, because you guys don't need to see anything. And, oh yeah, I forgot to say, you really need this piece, and if you don't have this piece, then none of this stuff will work. Because this thing stops the box from just like explode. And you guys saw that. Like, the thing definitely just didn't break or something right now. God, why do you have to break? Okay. I have another little thing to show you, but that will be in the next video. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm thinking I might make a pet simulator video. But if I'm gonna do that, I'm probably gonna go to the VIP server that this guy that was my friend has in Pet Simulator. So shout out to that guy. It was like Acno or something. I forgot, but he's a good guy. Oh yeah, also Kitty Cat or something like that. Cause in Pet Simulator, I was just playing like do. I'm just gonna eat coins and never ever get to the next level. And then suddenly I just compliment, and she said, this kitty cat says, OMG, like twice. And I'm like, why are you saying OMG? And she's like, because I got a rainbow pet. And then I'm like, cool, thumbs up emoji. And he's like, and then after that I ask, hey, can I get a free pet that's good? Because I suck at this game. And then, after that, she just said she liked the compliment. So she just gave me this pet. And then I traded it for another pet. Sorry, but I did it. But I have a new cyborg dog that is named Peanut. And he's a pretty good one. But my best one I have is this candy. This cherry.
A cherry?
A cherry, like, super fast. Okay. I'll show you how to make this in like 3 minutes. Okay, just make a car with no wheels. Put wheels down here, put wheels down here. Kabam! Easiest car in the whole entire world. Okay, I'm just gonna do a Pet Simulator video in like
500 million days?
yeah, in a pretty long time because I can't make my audio work on game. The one time my audio worked, it only worked because of this one thing. I didn't actually do the audio while I was in the video. I actually made the video and then I just reacted to it. But I made it so that it kind of looks like it's just like not a gaming video and stuff. Okay, bye.